Hello my friends, I am Aqua Jade and today we are going to be making my vision board. If you are new here, please do not forget to hit subscribe if you haven't already. For weekly motivating videos, I make dance workouts, I inspire myself to live the healthiest life I can possibly live. So just join me on my journey to health, wealth and love. Okay, so the first thing we're going to talk about is what is a vision board. So a vision board is something that you see to manifest your ultimate dream life. So to get clear about what you really want on your vision board, the best way to start is to meditate and journal, to really get clear on your intentions for your future and what you really want. So let's meditate. So when I meditate to manifest what I want, I really think about what I enjoy in life, what makes me feel good, what I really want my lifestyle to look like. And then I start visualizing me living that life. Dream, try and go into a deep state of feeling that way that you want to live. Then I start to stretch and then I end the meditation by feeling grateful and counting my blessings. Okay, so I find that when you meditate on what you want in life and your true intentions is just to remember what you want out of it. Okay, so think about all your sectors of life. Think about your work goals, your relationship goals, your friendship goals, your connections to earth. Think about what kind of lifestyle you want to live, what you want to have in it. You can literally manifest anything you want. You just need a little bit of work, belief, trust, and surrender to the universe. So now that I have meditated, it's very important to now write down your thoughts, what came up in the meditation. Is there anything that you decided that you don't want to attract? So it really is about the law of attraction. What you see, what you think will attract to your reality. So a vision board is a great tool to manifest anything you want, because if it's right in front of you every day, you're literally seeing your vision come to life, and then your vision will go into your brain, and then your brain will see that vision as if it's already a reality. So your reality happens in 2 stages. The first stage is to think that you already have it, and then the second stage is when it happens, it just manifests itself. So the first thing to do is to journal your intentions, make sections. Okay, so the first section, so let's write down what we want. So we're gonna divide it into sections. So the first section will be career / work life. What kind of work life do you want to manifest? Second will be relationships. Now this can be a relationship with yourself, with others, with your partners / love life. If you do not have a love life, then the only love life you need is with yourself. So the next section we need is health. So as humans, we're basically living to live a healthy lifestyle so we can live longer. That is basically the goal, is just to live as long as you can. So health is a huge part of attracting a great life. So let's put health down. What health goals do you want to achieve? Say health and goals. Yep, so habits, goals. What do you want out of your health? And then the last thing that we're going to focus on is how to dream big. Okay. Now this is like an extra on the vision board, because all you need really is those 3 things to focus on. But then the dream big section is very important, because on the dream big section you want to put all the things that you really truly desire to live a luxurious, wonderful, happy life. So on the dream big section, it can be things that you don't need but you want. Yes, you can have it. Why not? We can have anything. So I bought a new printer the other day so I can make my vision board, and I'm ready to go. Up here is my little grid, and I'm just going to print off a load of pictures and then put them on here. So let's do the process together. Done all of my journaling now, so just need to look at what I wrote, and then we are going to print it off and make the vision board. So the way I'm going to design my vision board is to look at my intentions and goals for the vision board, and then just look up what pictures I can find on Google. Helping others. Love this. Go on images. What do I like? What do I like? And then you just choose an image that just speaks to you. What attracts you? If something attracts you, you will attract it back. We are our own reflection of our outer world. Making a vision board is to truly know what you want. If you do not know what you want yet, don't make a vision board until you are sure on what you want. Subscribe. So here is a picture that I printed the other day, just to start off my vision board as I was testing out the printer, and I just printed out a subscribe thing off Google for YouTube, and that is my YouTube handle, and 13,000 is where I want to be by the end of the year. Okay, so I've got all of my images from Google. I have all of these. So I need to narrow it down and take away a few, but pretty pleased with what I got. And then we're going to print it and then display. How? Round 5,020. Okay, it's a few hours later. It's a few hours later now, and my advice is, if you're going to make a vision board, book a day off, because it takes a long time. You gotta manifest, you gotta meditate, you gotta journal, you gotta find the pics, you gotta crop the pics, you gotta send the pics to yourself, you gotta print them, the paper gets jammed. Next thing you know, 6 hours has gone by and you haven't even made the board yet. So I would advise printing a different day maybe, or taking the whole day off. Okay, this is what I got. I got some pictures. So this is what my future kitchen is gonna look like. I want to connect more to nature. I do want a brand new car because my car's broke at the moment. I want to drink lots of water, eat good, yummy, healthy, balanced meals. I need to stretch more. I need to drink more green juice, which I'm trying to do. That is a little bit of inspo for my dressing room. And I got some nice quotes here. Be good, do good, feel good. Like, that's my whole aesthetic. And then I got this nice quote, because it's so easy in this generation, this day and age, to get caught up and start comparing yourself to others, which is ridiculous really, because you are you, and being you is the best thing you can do for yourself and others. So this is just here to remind me. Don't compare your life to others. There's no comparison between the sun and the moon. They shine when it's their time. That will keep me grounded. And then over here, I do want to meditate more and connect more to nature as well. I have a picture here for the future when I will be, me and Dan will be traveling, backpacking. I want more peace in my life and freedom. I do have lots of freedom. I'm very, very lucky. I just need more peace of mind in my mind. This is very relevant. Do what you love and love what you do. My subscribers, this time next year, I've got another quote. Success isn't just about what you accomplish in your life. It's about what you inspire others to do. So true. This is me behind the cameras, performing, making a video. Love it. And I thought I'd just print a picture of me, just loving what I do, loving my job, loving my life, loving my lifestyle. And then I've got people with coffee. This is me and my friends when we're allowed out the house. We're having a good time. We're having a good old chat with a coffee. And then here, I did a printing mistake here, but I'm just going to leave it. I really like this picture because it really shows that no matter where you are in your life journey, helping others will always be the most satisfying part of your journey. It doesn't matter if you're here or if you are there. We are all on our own journeys, and helping others really does make you the happiest. So yes, that is my mood / vision board. I'm now going to cut it up and place it on the board, and I will show you when it's done. I got the lights with it. Let's put that straight. Love this quote. I live by it. There's me celebrating. I mean, I'm celebrating now. I feel like it's already here. I am living in abundance. So yeah, that is what a vision board example looks like. Really happy. I finally did it. I've been meaning to do this since the beginning of January. Now it's done. I didn't put this one up as it didn't really suit the vibe, but I do want to print a smaller version and then put it over in that corner. But for now, I'll just leave it until I feel like I need to print some more stuff. Yay! And that is it for the vision board episode. I hope you enjoyed and have been inspired to make one yourself. And just remember, there is no rules for a vision board. Write down, think about what you really want out of life and create it. We got it, guys. You can do anything if you just believe. I'm really excited for all this to happen, and you can watch me on my journey. You can watch me receive it on our journey together. Thank you so much again for watching, and I hope you have a lovely, fulfilled and loving day. Goodbye.